In this question, you have to point out which one is not an attribute of a population. Option A, mortality. Now this is incorrect because this is an attribute of a population. It refers to the death rate within a population. Option B, species interaction. Now this is not an attribute of a single population. Now, it refers to relationships between different species, and it can be in the form of predation, competition, or mutualism, rather than attributes within a single population itself. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, sex ratio. This is also incorrect because this is an attribute of a population, as it describes the proportion of males to females within a population. Option D, natality. This is also incorrect because this is also an important attribute of a population, and it refers to the birth rate or the number of individuals added to the population through reproduction.